The family accused of fueling the nation's opioid epidemic is at the center of a massive settlement being challenged right now by the Supreme Court. Today, the justices are hearing arguments in the Purdue Pharma bankruptcy deal, and that includes billions of dollars in payouts to people harmed by OxyContin overdoses and deaths. At issue is whether the owners of the company, the Sackler family, should in fact be shielded from current and future lawsuits in exchange. NBC News Justice and Intelligence correspondent Ken Dateline joins us now. Ken, first off, why is the U.S. challenging this settlement?
Morgan, a division of the Justice Department, the U.S. bankruptcy trustee, believes that this settlement is unfair, that it's an abuse of the bankruptcy system because the Sacklers are getting the benefit of bankruptcy without actually having to file for bankruptcy and putting all their assets at risk. So they collected around $11 billion from this company, and they're offering to pay $6 billion in a settlement. And the Justice Department thinks that that's unfair. And some of the justices today seem to agree and were questioning the legality and the appropriateness of the settlement, but others were pointing out that it would be a big step to blow up a settlement like this that is being counted on by so many state governments and individuals and people affected by the opioid crisis. And lawyers for those people came into the Supreme Court today and said, look, this is the best deal we're going to get, and if this blows up, it's very unlikely that we're going to have another settlement. So the stakes are really high here, and we'll have to see what the court decides.
You talked about the benefit of bankruptcy. I mean, this deal, it's supposed to help people who were hurt by this crisis. What happens then if this case sort of gets held up in the courts?
So that's a big question. Right now, if the settlement goes forward, they stand to gain $6 billion, some of which goes to victims of the opioid crisis, including children who were born addicted to drugs. In fact, I think we have some sound from some people who may be affected by this. Take a listen.
The family is responsible criminally. They need to pay for what they did, and what they have offered in that paltry $6 billion settlement will help some people, but it is not the justice that needs to be served in this case.
And so what these people are obviously saying is that ultimate justice did not reach the Sacklers. They were not charged criminally, although Purdue Pharma itself pleaded guilty to criminal charges in this matter. But a lot of the people involved say this is the best settlement they think they're going to be able to get from the Sackler family.
We will soon see. NBC News Justice and Intelligence correspondent Ken Dateline there live from D.C. Ken, thank you.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.